this is Michael from Absolute Dental Practice. How can I assist you today?
Hi Michael, I'd like to book an appointment with the dentist today.
Sure, I can help with that. Can I get your full name, please?
My name is Adi.
Nice to meet you, Adi. What's the purpose of your appointment today?
I've got a toothache somewhere in my premolars.
I see, let's get that sorted out. When would you like to come in for the appointment, Adi?
Can I come in for tomorrow at 4 p.m?
Great. Got it. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. Let's confirm your appointment for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Confirm date and time. I'm sorry, but the 4 p.m. slot is already taken. How about these alternate options? 3:30 p.m., 4:30 p.m. or 5 p.m.?
Alright, can I do like 4:30 p.m?
Perfect. We can book you in for 4:30 p.m. tomorrow. An SMS confirmation has been sent to you. Thank you, Adi.
Alright, thank you. So yeah guys, I just got the appointment confirmation right now. That was a conversation between myself and Michael, a conversational AI that is trained on the company's data and information about the company, and his primary objective is to automate the whole company's appointment scheduling system. So what happens in the process is that it confirms the allocation that you're trying to put in for, and it checks the business owner's time as well. So if there's like a slot field, like as you can see here with Joyce was initially booked for 4 p.m. before the call, and that was when it did the whole call check and said that this time is not available, but I can book you in certain slot. And that's like very intelligent. And yeah, it also has like a background automation that goes on. Yeah, so this system checks like for the time. It has like the Google Calendar check time, API calls to know if you're busy and all. So this all works on the background, and you don't need to always be on the phone. You could go on holidays, you could be with the family, you could you need some time to yourself, but also that you do not want to miss like some clients coming in. And also it gives you like a full breakdown of the conversation, so you're not missing out on anything. So whatever conversation I've made with Michael today or any agent can be documented and be sent alongside with this the Google Calendar you're seeing right now. I've also like built this into like a chatbot, a conversational chatbot system, which is also like if you don't want to have it like on the phone, if you want to have like a chat based system, this also works as well. And it also does the old system that the voice does as well. So we're just gonna ask it like certain questions and try to book in like an appointment as well, and let's see what it does and gives us. This one currently runs on my local host, and it runs on like a robust server like this. You can see we've got like the wrong creator, we've got it's communicating back and forth with like the OpenAI APIs and like the Google Calendar, like I said as well. So it's also like a robot system as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna ask it like few prompts, and yeah, just trying to book in like an appointment as well. So I'm gonna say A is there, and let's see. I am trying I want to book an appointment. I want to book a cleaning appointment. So let's see what that gives us back. So this also is running on the same engine as well, or like the same data as I've configured it on the voice agent as well. So this is like a chat agent. So it says, hello, I'm happy, may I have your full name as well? So I'm gonna set the same thing. I'm Adi, and let's see what it does from there. I'm Adi. Thanks, Adi, what day and time. So if we go back to this calendar, you see that we've got like 4 p.m. to 5:30 booked. So what I'm gonna do right now to see how sophisticated this system is, I'm gonna book in for 4 p.m. as well, for the same tomorrow time as well. So I'm gonna say I want to book in for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Yeah, let's do that. So it's trying to confirm, would you would like to book a cleaning appointment for tomorrow at 4 p.m., correct? Yes, correct. Yes. So let's see what it does then. Thank you, Ade. Unfortunately, 4 p.m. tomorrow is not available. However, I can offer three alternative times for cleaning appointments: 2 p.m., 3 p.m., and 3:30 p.m. Please let me know which time works best for you. I think that's smart. I think that's a good system. So I'm just gonna do it for 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Let's see what it says. 2 p.m. So we've got this for 2 p.m. and it says perfect. I've scheduled your cleaning appointment for 2 p.m. If you need to make any changes, let us know. Have a great day, Adi. So let's go back to our calendar and see cleaning with Adi for 2 p.m. has been booked already. So like I'm saying, this is actually like a robust system for like automating your appointments. You don't want to miss out on, like I said, you don't want to miss out on money. You don't want to miss out on clients. So what I'm saying is that also, I mean, we are humans. We want to go on vacations. We want to go on trips with our partners. We want to go on spend time with the family as well. We are in like an artificial intelligence world. Where a couple of years and months from now, we're gonna have all this already in the systems working here and there. So I'll say the earlier the better you come on this system, the earlier the better it is for you as well. Bye.